So this is turning into a complete experiment. Nothing like what I had initially thought. In this video, I'm attempting to make a pair of pants based on the wide leg pants I already own and somehow turn them into wrap pants. Stay with me as I stumble through the process and learn from a few mistakes along the way. It's not perfect. This kimono came in a bundle I bought from Japan. They were supposed to be wool, but I'm not sure if they all were. I think this one is wool blend with a Tsumugi style weave. Originally, I had planned to use the lower part of the kimono along with the inner lining to make a wrap skirt, but I realized the kimono was made for someone much smaller, so a lot of extra fabric was folded into the seams. That meant if I wanted to use most of the fabric, I need to rip the seams and take the kimono apart. Well, that's not exactly what I had in mind when I cut it in half. The top could have been a cute haori style jacket, but it's not usable as is because of some cuts on the right back panel. Let's start by taking it apart and giving it a wash. If you're curious about how I wash kimono fabric, I made another video where I go into detail on how to wash silk kimono. I'll leave the link in the description below. During the wash and rinse, I didn't see much blue dye come out, so I'm guessing it was just really dirty to begin with. Let's take a look and see which side is front and back. And I hope I can tell. It's really hard to tell, actually. Are you saying hi? Oh, hi, baby. I'm not gonna worry too much about these little fades. So let's take a look and see the length. I think it might be okay. Look at this. Oh, that is plenty. Yay, there's plenty. There's plenty of material, and I think I can make it a little wider. So let's get started. I think this is good. I'm gonna go for it. Now I'm kind of wondering, is this supposed to go this way? Okay, I figured out which is front, but does it look more darker from one side? One direction versus another? I can't tell. I think I'm gonna go this way. もう一回上から切ります。よく切れるハサミってなんか嬉しいよね、使ってて。これぐらいでいいでしょう。はい。ピンを留めます。クリップか。クリップします。Pretty good. I do want to do the zigzag on the edges here. So I'm wondering if I should do that now. Looks like the tension is a little bit needing to be adjusted. After sewing the inseams, I realized I'd cut the back panel a bit too narrow near the waist, so I decided to use some of the extra kimono fabric to widen the sides and turn them into the wrap portion of the pants. Here I'm sewing everything together into giant pant legs, which you'll see come together in just a little bit. Here's the waist area, and I think it's a little short, so I'm gonna go maybe about this much down. So that's maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, and then sew it back up. Okay, so this video is turning into don't do this video, if you know what I mean. Plan ahead it should be the title of this video at this point. Plan ahead, don't do what I did. Yeah, okay, that's better. So I'm trying to meet up with the previous line of sew line right here and kind of blend it into that from where I cut the new curve. I ran into another fit issue, this time at the back waist where the panels meet. I cut it too steep, so the fabric bunches up a bit. I haven't finished sewing the elastic yet, so now is the perfect time to fix it. I'm going to rip about 5 inches of the seam and trim around 1/2 inch with a gentler curve. Hoping I don't have to rip anything out after this. So this is what I have so far. I know it looks crazy, but I'm gonna have it so that it wraps right to the center. So here's the center, like this. And then have a button right here to hold it, and then hooks right here. It's not perfect, but I think it's okay. It's not too bad. This is my third try trying to match this up and having this clip work in the way that I was hoping to. So I ended up putting these little snap buttons, and I think that would be enough. And I did it on both sides. This was definitely an ambitious project, but it all came together in the end. I learned a lot, from making a pattern that didn't quite work, to modifying the design on the fly, and being okay with making mistakes along the way. It turned out to be a decent prototype that I can build on for the next version of these wrap pants. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think or what you might have done differently. I hope you enjoy spending this time with me, and I'll see you in the next video.